welcome back to the BMX DAD channel. Today we're going to be making a bike from a Federal Dub Chiller frame and a few other bits and pieces. The plan might change as I go along. But to start with, we've got the Dub Chiller frame, some chrome bars are a bit tatty, I will replace them. Illegal Bikes cranks, BSD saddle. I'll probably put on a pair of these Alienation rims with some KHE pinstripe tyres. I've got the front wheel on the bike at the moment, so I'm going to use this. Frame, forks, stem, headset, bars, seat post, and the seat installed. I had to replace this little nut here for the integrated seat post clamp. Next, crank time. So just before the rain comes, put cranks on. Got these Illegal Bikes cranks. Do this crank bolt up. And after that, it's going to be wheels, chain, and ready to go.